Hey there. In this video, I am just going to go over um, my latest side hustle, the Amazon influencer program with shoppable videos. I've had some questions from people asking me what it is and how it works, so I thought I'd give a really quick rundown on this. Okay, so you go to Amazon and you are looking around at products, okay? And sometimes you'll see that they have videos, right? Like over here on the left, you can just click on that and you see videos. Videos for this product is usually created by the seller themselves, and then you have related videos, and that's where you'll find videos that are done by Amazon influencers. Okay, and they're usually short videos, 1 to 2 minutes, and so they'll be up here at the top of a product page. Sometimes they will also be, if you scroll down towards the review area. Okay, this one doesn't, yes, here we go. Videos for this product, right? You'll find them at the bottom here too. And these, again, are made by Amazon influencers, okay? So here's another page. They don't have any videos at the top, but if you scroll down towards the review area, you will see videos for the product there. Now, as an Amazon influencer, when you make these videos and they are placed on the product page by Amazon, you can earn a commission every time somebody watches your video and then immediately buys the product. Okay? So it's really easy. You don't have to promote a website. You don't have to send links out. You don't have to do any of that because your videos that you make are going right onto the Amazon product page itself. So Amazon is already generating all the traffic for you. People watch the video, they buy, you make money. You don't have to do any of that other stuff that usually comes along with making a passive income. You don't have a website, you don't have an email list, you don't have, a huge social media following, blah, 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 all that stuff. You are really taking advantage of the traffic that already comes into Amazon. You make your real short videos, and when people buy, you make money. Last month, I made over $3,000 in commissions from just my shoppable videos that are on Amazon. So, and it's real simple to do. Getting into the Amazon influencer program, you do need a bit of a following already, but if you don't have one, I have a Amazon course guide that shows you exactly what you need to do to build up a following so you can get accepted into the influencer program. Once you're in, you don't have to use that social media platform anymore. You don't have to post. You don't have to share links, none of that. So I just wanted to throw this out here real quick for the people who are asking how it worked. I just wanted to, do a real quick, this is how it works. You make videos, you upload them to Amazon. Amazon puts them on product pages. Somebody watches your video, like this one is one of mine. Somebody watches this video and then buys the pens, and I make money. That's how it works. So if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. I have a link in the comments for the free guide that I have that you can download and look over. And that's that. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you next time.